When my son suggested living on the property, I thought, oh no, in a granny flat, that's the last thing I want. But now I've seen it finished, living in it.
Very happy with how this has turned out. We didn't know what to expect, but yeah, it's more than met my expectations.
Tall ceilings, walk-in robe, everything a granny flat would never be.
Funky Little Shacks has been really great for me. There was an enormous effort to design a shack that works for me personally. I felt confident that I understood what was happening and when things were happening, and the finish was better than I really could imagine.
Mel's design, she came up with the most incredible design first time off. It's large, it's spacious. For a little shack, it's really, really spacious.
We've got this little shack down here for me and my son. I just can't tell you how good I'm feeling being here with what I've got in life.
We love everything about the shack. We love the design of it, the simplicity, the easiness, the comfortableness of it.
This process has been going on for 4 years, and then Mel came along like a breath of fresh air and turned everything on its side, made everything no fuss, no worries.
They've really been able to bring our thoughts into a design and then make it to something that will work so well with the space that we have already.
I love it, just love it. The feel of it is magical.
I'm thrilled with the outcome, and I've lived in it for 12 months, and I can tell you it's worth considering Funky Little Shacks.
It is amazing. I love it, love it, love it.
Really thrilled and happy we went with Funky Little Shack.
Mel is the best. If you need a design, Mel's a person.
She's turned this place into my beautiful home, which I love and wake up every morning and thank her.